In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pepperstone Razor account. A Razor account is designed to give you raw market pricing with no markup on the spread and then charge a small, separate commission. In practical terms, spreads can start from zero point 0.0 pips, while the commission is approximately 3 to 50 cents per lot per side, or about $7 for a complete round turn. That setup means you're seeing the true bid and ask from the market, and instead of paying with a wider spread, you pay a clear commission on your trade size. Here's how the pricing works in action. Imagine you open one standard lot on EURUSD. Let's say the spread at that moment is 0.1 pips, and the commission for opening and closing totals about $7. Your total trading cost is the tiny spread plus that commission. The key idea with a Razor account is simple. You get cheaper, tighter spreads, and the commission is separated so you can see exactly what you're paying. Now let's walk through using it on MetaTrader 5. First, open MetaTrader 5 and log in with your Pepperstone Razor account. Once you're in, select the market you want to trade. Common choices include EURUSD, GBPUSD, or XAUUSD, but you can choose any symbol you prefer. Next, open a trade by clicking New Order. Set your lot size based on your plan. Add a stop loss to cap potential downside and a take profit to lock in gains at a target level. When you're ready, click Buy or Sell to execute. After your order is placed, keep an eye on your costs. You'll notice the spread is very tight, often near zero to a few tenths of a pip. The commission is charged automatically and will appear as a separate line item in your platform's trade or history details. This separation helps you understand exactly how much you paid, independent of the spread. When is a Razor account most effective? It shines for strategies that rely on very tight pricing: scalping, day trading, trading during news events, and algorithmic trading. In these scenarios, spreads around 0.0 to 0.3 pips are typical, which can make a meaningful difference over many trades. On the other hand, it's not ideal for long-term positions that run for weeks or months, or for beginners who prefer the simplest possible pricing because the commission adds an extra element to track. With a Razor account, always factor the commission into your break-even point and risk-to-reward planning. That's the essence of using a Pepperstone Razor account on MT5: raw spreads, a clear commission, straightforward order placement, and mindful cost monitoring.